Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to unsuspend your Twitter account. And for this, we need to go to Safari, and when we arrive in Safari, you need to fill in help.twitter.com. Then we go to the Help Center page, and when we type in just right here, appeal, and tap on search, we need to scroll down to appeal a locked or suspended account. Now tap on that, and from here Twitter will explain you how you can appeal with your suspended account. Alright, it says now you are currently not logged in or logged into an X account that is not suspended or locked. So now type on please log out. Then fill in here your details of your account, and after you fill in your details in this account, Twitter will explain you how you can appeal for your suspended account. Alright, this is exactly how it works, and if you have questions, please comment them below, because then I can help you out. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like, and then for now, thanks for watching.